you might be observing something very different in both of us today. So we are twinning. Okay. We have, Vijay has spoken about the wheel of life. So I'll just share my screen on that. Okay. So we know there are 8 different spokes and all the other spokes. All the, need and necessity of each spoke. So I'll be covering about health, which all the other 7 spokes, variations depend on this particular spoke. So, yeah. So if I ask you, you may ask it yourself, maybe it cannot be right away, or if you want, you can ping it in the chat box as well. But if you ever think of, rating ourselves between 1 to 10 on health, how much would you rate yourself? So we did the same thing. It was like a self-test for us. And I saw a lot of gaps. I was like, okay, it's time to, work on this. And I like Apurva was telling, year end is approaching and we all look to have resolutions. And the first resolution we all have is want to lose weight. And we all hit the gym and by 15, the gym is empty. And this is something that happens with at least the 90% of the crowd. And I hope we all belong to the rest of the 10% of the crowd. So, first step that you need to do is just sit maybe half an hour, take your time out, rate yourself with respect to health between 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. And whatever your current rating is, I'm sure if you have a 10 on 10, I'm very happy that you have that. But if, in our case, we were both at around 5, 6, although we were like following a lot of good things, we were not complete. And I was looking to see how I can fill the gap of the remaining 5 to 6. And that came in through this community. Again, I'm very grateful for that because they were driving something that led to being fit and happy. And it's not about just losing weight on one side, but also maintaining the well-being of ourselves. So since I intended to fulfill the gap, I connected with WTV, that's Workout to Burnout. And we started following a holistic approach. And we all have heard this health is wealth, right? And I think I can say health is not just wealth, health is everything. Because if you're healthy, if you're happy, if you're positive, then definitely the results that the production that we end up giving in any of our tasks, maybe office work or anything outside office or someone who's running a business, I'm sure all of this leads to a better productivity. So since we started, we felt like, staying healthy is all about having boring diets and, having less food and then no cheat meals. But then to be frank, we've had a lot of cheat meals in the last 6 weeks of our journey. And for someone like Karthik, he is like totally off workouts. And I think we even told about this last week because he is not someone who enjoys it. But when he knew the priority is health, he actually started being there and he felt like, okay, it's not boring. And, it's not like a thing that is a monotonous thing. In fact, I would say office job sometimes does get monotonous, but not, being in the healthy, holistic life. And I talk about different aspects of what keeps us healthy. There are 3 aspects. I would say 3 things that is required. One is you're having a right food. Second is your right exercise. And third is having you. You need to be there and you have to do all that is required to have a healthy lifestyle. Of course, healthier lifestyle also includes a lot of on our sleep, our stress, and everything, meal timing and what we eat. All of that matters. But I feel these 3 important things have changed our lives for the last 6 to 7 weeks. And since we all desire to, look, even I want to start looking great after New Year. I'll start losing weight. I'll start losing my fat, all of that. But we decided to look new for the new year. And we've actually seen a lot of results. I will show you, maybe I'll talk about a couple of things. I'll just share my screen on that. Okay. So it's about resolution or you're creating it. For me, I wanted to create myself a new me by Jan 1st, 2022. And to be frank, we are like 75% RB. And we have a couple of things that we follow. So I was talking about exercises. I think Kiran was talking about how do you relieve your stress, or how do you really let go of that, not losing focus. For me, it's walking. For both of us, in fact, it's walking. And one second. Okay, so we have this walk buddy challenge where you have to 40-45 minutes in a day. So we we started taking this challenge. We both complete about 10K steps every day, and we get featured on our page. And the next thing is having a community. So that is what matters. I mean, community workout helps us. The next one is couple workout. We get to do a lot of innovative things with our food plates. I include all the colors. I make sure that, you know, our plates are filled. I mean, it's not like I'm starving and we are starving and we are not going to eat. We eat throughout the day. We eat 6 good meals, 3 big meals, 3 small meals, and we make sure we have maintained it. And I mean, after doing all of this, we want results, right? If we don't see results, then what is the point of doing all of this? So this is Karthik's weight loss journey. He has, I mean, we were like stunned to see ourselves with the highest weight we ever saw, and our fat, our muscles, everything was different. I mean, like we looked like different people on the scale, but then it's still in progress, and we've lost about 5 kilos each. And this is my scale. And for me, I was like, because since I'm short, I was too conscious, always been in sports, and this came in like a thing that I was not ready for. And my BMI was like a shock to me. I never hit more than 25, 26, and to come back it's not a joke. And to be frank, we even started the the community started the fat loss journey, and anybody who's willing to is always welcome to join us. Although we started the journey already, but it's never too late to start. And I think we can even ping you the form link in the chat box. You may join. I mean, you may fill the form, and we'll have the coaches connect to you. The best part is there is someone guiding you throughout, and you're not left like a child with no ways. So that is one thing that we wanted to. That is one thing I wanted to share. So health is wealth. So stay healthy, stay fit.